Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many developers face when building websites with Next.js, React, and MongoDB Atlas. The issue we're diving into involves implementing a Raffle system where users can purchase specific numbers. The problem arises when multiple users try to select the same number simultaneously, creating a conflict that needs to be resolved. How do we handle this concurrency problem effectively within our application? So, the solution to this problem lies in utilizing an atomic operation to manage the number selection process. We can set up a schema that includes fields for the number, availability status, and the user ID to whom the number will be assigned. By structuring the data like this, with each number being initially available, we can then mark it as unavailable once it's been purchased by a user. This prevents multiple users from selecting the same number simultaneously, ensuring that only one user can successfully purchase it. Additionally, throwing a meaningful error when a user attempts to select an unavailable number helps maintain the integrity of the system. In summary, we discussed how to address the concurrency problem that can arise when implementing a Raffle system on a website. By incorporating atomic operations and structuring our data schema effectively, we can ensure that users can purchase numbers without conflicts. Remember, handling concurrency issues in MongoDB requires thoughtful planning and execution to maintain a seamless user experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any concurrency jokes you might have. See you next time.